One of the most popular functions in Excel is the VLOOKUP function. If you know the value of an item in the first column, then using VLOOKUP, you can get any other value from that row. Let's take a look. Here is the data where we have details of the top salesperson for an organization over the years. Let's extract details for the year 2021. We will start with the salesperson name. In the cell G2, we will write VLOOKUP. The lookup value is F2 as we want to find details related to 2021. We'll fix the reference. The next parameter is table array. The table array is the entire table from A2 to D15. We'll fix the reference using F4. F4 works for both Windows and Mac. Next parameter is column index number, and that is the detail we want. Since we want the name, we will mention 2 as the name is in the second column in relation to the year. For the last parameter, we choose false or exact match. This means that we need to find an exact match for the lookup value 2021. We get the name as Anita Joy. Now if we copy the formula, we don't get the units sold and region automatically. This is because the column index number does not get updated. It stays at 2. We can manually update to 3 and 4 if we want. Let's update it. We then get the desired result. However, this is not an ideal solution. A much better solution is to replace the column index number with the match function. Let's see first what does the match function do. Match function returns the position of a value in an array or list of items. I'll write match. And for lookup value, let's write the top salesperson in double quotes. Lookup array means where should it look for the lookup value. I want the function to search here in A1 to D1. The match function searches both vertically as well as horizontally. For the last parameter, I will say exact match, which means I want to look for the exact phrase top salesperson. Close the bracket and press enter. We get the answer as 2. This is because top salesperson appears as the second item when we look at the data from A1 to D1. If I replace top salesperson with region in this formula, I should receive 4 as region is the fourth item. And that's what we get. Now let's replace the column index number with the match formula. I will clear the formulas in units sold and region for now. Against the salesperson name, I will edit the formula. I will replace the 2 with the match function. Lookup value can be the cell G1, as in this cell we are looking for the person's name. Lookup array will be A1 to D1. And we'll fix the reference. 0 for exact match. Close the bracket and we get the result. Let's copy it. And we get the desired result for units sold and region as well. Now there are 2 advantages. The first, we did not write any numbers in the column index. This can be helpful if your data has a lot of columns. The second advantage is now we can easily copy the formula. So we've learned multiple things in this video. First, of course, is the VLOOKUP function. The second, how to use the match function. And finally, how do you use both and write more flexible formulas. If this was helpful, then please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Until next time.